What's up, YouTube? Back to me again with another unboxing for you guys. And today I got you a pair of Under Armour Shadow Elite 3 firm ground in a QR code camo colorway. I'm a size 10 US. So the colorway is basically just black and white. And I got this for my birthday for my friends. So it comes in a normal black and white Under Armour box. So inside you got the Under Armour tissue paper with a pair of Under Armour Shadow Elite 3. So this again does not come with any string backs for the Elite models for Under Armour. And here you go, guys. This is a pair of Under Armour Shadow Elite 3 in a QR code camo colorway. So it's the same material as the orange one. I would say it's different from the Manzuri version, as this is more comfortable compared to the Manzuri version. The Manzuri version is pretty stiff out of the box, and like it needs a lot of matches or training times to break it into this pair to that pair. But for this one, it's very comfortable out of the box. So it's basically made of the re-engineered Under Armour Intelligent upper, and also it has this never wet coating, so it helps you in the wet conditions. And for the outsole, you got the carbon fiber outsole with very aggressive studs. I try to play it on AG, and it's fine for me, but it's not suitable. I would not recommend playing too much on AG because, as you can see, the studs are very long and also very competitive. Very aggressive. Then the colorway is just black and white. You can see all the QR code design on the toe box, also on the heel with Under Armour logo. And inside the insole is the same with white Under Armour logo and also the QR code design. And this is the other pair, the other one. So same design as the orange pair that I got. Yeah. So that's it for my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.